guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a short intro, but we'll be doing some videos. Just like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're new. My name is DAINELLE. Welcome. Just watch our intro.
Cause we're keeping it real with DAINELLE. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. You in the panel, part of the family. You with the bell. You comment and like and share as well with the friend. That's right. Welcome to the life. Feeling alright when we're keeping it real with DAINELLE. Keep it real with DAINELLE.
Alright, so this is the team with the kids, them.
Team champion.
On the field. On the field. On the board. The kids are meet up on the big team.
The head, shoulders, knees, toes, cone game. We're going to start with a cone with two people. You're going to get down to squat position. So get down to squat position and you'll yell out head, shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulder, cone. You can call that out in any order and the first person to grab the cone.
Shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, knees, head, shoulder, knees, head, shoulder, knees, toes, shoulder, head, shoulder. Oh, shoulder! Hey, I'm ready now! I'm ready now! Shoulder, bend back again. knees, toe, head, knees, toe, shoulder, knees, man, head, shoulder, toe, knees, head, shoulder, toe, head, shoulder, toe, head. Yo, you're not touching you. Head, shoulder, toe, head, shoulder, soda. Soda. I did say soda. Yeah. You can't move, can you let it know? Alright, never say bottle then, bottle. Yeah. Come now, so one that one side for the adults, I want to feel it. Head, shoulder, yeah, so they're too close to true. Kaylan, dress back. No, push back. No, dress back yoga then. Dress back yoga. No, dress back yoga. Dress back, yeah, good now. Toes, head, shoulders, toes. Wait a damn minute. Head, knees, shoulder, head, shoulder. Next up, bend enough for bend. Knees, shoulders, knees, head, shoulder, toe, knees, head, shoulder, shoulder.
Got him!
Head, toes, shoulders, head, knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees. No, knees. Next Khalil, why can't you eat dirt? No, she looks like she's too close. Yeah, she's close. Just her back. Yeah. She good, she good. Shoulders, 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 toes, knees, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, 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 shoulder, back, back, back. Maybe carry them. Just toes, head, shoulder, toes, head, back, your belly, your side, shoulder. Let them know that this is real, but until then I show them this is real, they're not gonna know that this is real. Feel good. We're big people, we're not talking like a pin them pure.
See, this is the dizzy relay in which each member should run around, will spin 10 times, but I placed it to 8, and as soon as they're finished, they're going to run to their partner. The partner have to do the same to come down. It's like a button exchange, but it's a dizzy exchange, if you understand. I forgot the stick, my bad planning, but enjoy the video.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, go!
Okay.
Alright, cool. So for the race here now, you have 2 persons running on 2 sides, 2 different sides. Them have 2 cups. They're going to run, come to the camera person, use one hand only to fill the cup, bring it to them teammates. Them teammates have to throw at the sand, then do the same thing and vice versa, going back and forth. So we're just gonna make them rewind and come again, and we're gonna see them in action.
One hand, member, one hand. And they're off. One hand, one hand, one hand. And it must fall. Must fall. One hand, one hand. One hand, one hand. Hey! I like that not fall! That not fall! One hand, guys, one hand, one hand. One hand, one hand. Make sure it fall, make sure it fall, make sure it fall.
Hey guys, you have reached the end of the video. I know you're looking for Dainelle, but she's at work. Sadly, we didn't get to end the video because somebody got hurt. Hope you guys like this video because we did. And the kids one.
Yo, hold up.
And I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Tell a friend, dog. Thanks for keeping it real. Bye.